What are my top 5 affiliate programs for beginners? Hey guys, Jackson here with Internet Money Lifestyle, and what I do is I teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing, starting a YouTube channel, because that's primarily what I do. Now, what I'm going to be going over, of course, like I said in the beginning and in the title, is the top 5 programs that I think if you are going to start an affiliate marketing business or you want to get started with affiliate marketing, these are the top 5 programs that I suggest that you promote. Why do I suggest these? Well, because I'm a beginner and this is what I'm going to use to jumpstart my business, to help me scale and get to 10 figures a month. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's jump on over onto my computer here and let's see these top 5 that I suggest. I'm going to do this kind of uncut, kind of raw. I'm going to edit this video a little bit, but not a whole lot. This is just going to kind of be me going through it. This isn't scripted. This is just kind of me going through the 5 things that I'm promoting to help me to start earn commissions and what I think will benefit you if you are wanting to get started in building your own online business. So first things first, this is the #1 program that kind of got me started with affiliate marketing and got the ball rolling, got my business up and running, got my funnel up and going. It got my email list up and going, kind of taught me everything that I needed to know to get my business started. And now what I'm doing is I'm making YouTube videos, doing podcasts, TikToks, everything to kind of jumpstart and really get my business going, building my email list so I can start earning commissions. So this is it right here. It is the Freedom Breakthrough. This is Jonathan Montoya. He's the one. I found him back at the end of 2019. He started his business May of 2019. And this month, well, I guess we're in August now, but in July of 2021, he generated 6 figures in sales. He did over $100,000 in sales. So he's absolutely killing it. This guy knows what he's talking about. And this is what I recommend if you want to get started, is this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. As you can see, I've already done everything, but it's got day 1, 2, and 3 helping you to set up your business. But that's not really what we're talking about. What we're talking about is the affiliate program. So after you go through this, you do need to go through these 3 days if you want to promote this. But as you can see right here, it talks about 50% commissions, okay? And if you want to get started with the 3-day business breakthrough challenge, it only costs $7 to do this. So you'd earn, I don't know, what, $3.50 on that if you made this sale. But what's so great about this program, the Freedom Breakthrough, is he is actually just now, I think within like the next week or so, he's actually coming out with this 2.0. So it's basically his affiliate marketing course, but his second one. So it's a little bit more revamped, a little bit more in depth. I don't know because it hasn't come out yet, but I know this is going to probably cost about $1,000 or $2,000 for a course. We don't know yet because it hasn't come out. I know his first one cost $1,000, and what you can earn is 50% commissions on if you were to sell this. So basically you go here and then let's see, you scroll down and then you click here to become an affiliate. Now in order to become affiliate, you do need to go for do the first 3 days. And if you want to get started, and this is something that you really want to do, you want to set up an affiliate business and you want to learn kind of the ins and outs, and this is something you want to promote, go down in the description below. That's going to be my very first link. It's the first thing I'm promoting. I really firmly, really, how many times can I say really? I really do believe, though, in this program right here. I mean, course, program, however you want to put it, because what he's doing is an amazing job. I really believe in this, but you go down and you click become an affiliate. I'm already an affiliate. And then once you become an affiliate, it's going to lead you to this page right here. Like you said, as you can see, I'm a beginner. I haven't even made a referral yet. I haven't even got anybody to sign up, none of that. But once you get inside here, this is where you're going to get all your affiliate links. And this is where you're going to get your link, whatever you want to promote. You want to promote his Freedom Breakthrough. You want to promote the 3-day challenge that I'm talking about right now, the TikTok challenge. And then I'm sure within a week or so, this is going to be the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0 is going to be on here. Then you just go here, copy your link. Here's the link right here. You take it, you post it wherever you're driving traffic, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, wherever you're going. You post that, you get people to sign up, and then you earn up to, like I said, 50% commissions. It's huge. I mean, you have the potential to earn $500 on each commission if somebody signs up using your link. And another great thing about this, I almost forgot. Let's say, for an example, you get somebody to sign up for the 3-day business building challenge right here. Well, that only costs $7. But say that person that you referred decides, oh, they want to get a little bit more into it, and they decide to purchase his Freedom Breakthrough, his full course. So this is kind of the whole course right here. I don't have access to it because I haven't even purchased that. I've just gone through the 3-day challenge for $7. But this is whole course. I'm sure this is going to update to his 2.0 course. But let's just say you refer to somebody on just the 3-day challenge for $7. And let's say a month from now, they decide to upgrade to the full Freedom Breakthrough course, which is $1,000. Well, guess what? Because you referred them with the 3-day business building challenge, your email is I guess it would be their email. The person that you signed up with, their email is hard coded to your affiliate link. So no matter what they buy through Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough, you are going to get the commission. So let's say they buy his first Freedom Breakthrough. Boom, you just earned a $500 commission. Let's say then they upgrade and buy the 2.0, and that's $1,000. Well, bam, you just earned another $500 commission. And the thing is this guy's going to keep coming out with more and more content. So you have the potential to earn commissions basically for life for one person that you signed up. So this is my number one. This is the best affiliate program I can suggest for beginners because it's an easy entry, $7, and then you have the potential to earn reoccurring commissions. Not reoccurring, but potential to earn commissions in the future without you even doing any work. You just got them to sign up for that one page. So that's my first one. Number 2 is going to be ClickFunnels. And if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's simply setting up a website or a funnel, leading people from one page to another to the next. This program is what helps people run their business. It's what helps entrepreneurs online. It's what helps people capture emails, sell products. I mean, it is, if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, super quick Google search, you can find out what they're all about. But what's so great about ClickFunnels is that they have so many things. You can just look. I'm back here in my affiliate dashboard, you can see all these different things that they have to offer that you can promote. And just for an example, all the commissions are different, but if you were to go and you wanted to click the One Funnel Away Challenge, which I also highly recommend, it is excellent. But let's say you get somebody to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Well, you earn the entire $100, 100% of the revenue you earn with ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge. And that's just one thing that you can promote. If we go back, you can, like, say you want to do exactly what I'm doing. You want to teach other people how to get started with their affiliate marketing business. You can do the same thing. ClickFunnels has their very own affiliate marketing boot camp. And guess what? If you get somebody to sign up, boom, you just earned $100, 100% of that commission is yours. So that's awesome as well. But I think the greatest thing about ClickFunnels is they have reoccurring revenue. So let's go here and say I were to get somebody to sign up for ClickFunnels, okay? They have a $97 a month plan and a $297 a month plan. What you can earn, is you can see right here, is a 40% reoccurring commission on this. So what does that mean? You get somebody to sign up for ClickFunnels, and let's say they're a ClickFunnels, they have it for life. Well, guess what? First month, you're going to earn 40% of, let's just say they get the lowest package, $97. $40 you're going to earn that month. Let's say they stay for month 2. Boom, it's reoccurring. You're going to earn $40 every month as long as that person that you gave your link for them to sign up. So this link right here, this is my affiliate link. So if you were to go and sign up under my link, I would earn a commission every single month as long as you're an active member with ClickFunnels. And the cool thing is once you hit once you hit 100 members, what they do is will cover the lease of your dream car. As you can see right here, they will pay $500 a month for you to put towards a car of your choice. I mean, $500 a month is going to get you a very, very nice car. So you get 100 members to sign up, you get that. 200 members, they'll pay you $1,000 a month to go towards your dream car. Now, you got to keep those people active, of course. But if you're getting that many people, they're probably going to end up staying active. So That is the beautiful thing about ClickFunnels, and they have so many different products. I mean, they got a book, which this book I highly recommend, by the way, Traffic Secrets, but you have your own link for that. And then look at all the potential you could earn. Say you get somebody, you say, hey, I really recommend this book. Go down to my link. They click your link. They buy the book. You earn $1. Let's say they upgrade. You earn $14 to the audiobook. Let's say they buy the next order bump. You earn up to $38. The next order bump, $100. The next order bump, you have the chance to earn up to $125 just from that. So your potential earnings for one entire book is $264 just from getting somebody, you being the affiliate, and you getting them to go buy a book. Like, how cool is that? That's affiliate marketing for you. And so that's why I really believe that ClickFunnels is probably one of the best. If you're a beginner, wherever you're at, wherever you are in your affiliate marketing career, I really believe that ClickFunnels is the best program to promote. All right, so those are my two main ones. Those are the ones I'm really putting a lot of work in to try to earn commissions off of. And then these last three I'll talk about is GetResponse. So this is my GetResponse. Obviously, if you're going to start an affiliate marketing business, you need an email list. You need to build an email list, and you need to have an email follow-up. So say somebody that comes through your funnel with ClickFunnels, they sign up, they put their email in, and then you need to be following up with these people. Now, say you get somebody to sign up for the GetResponse. Well, the cool thing about this is that every person that I get to sign up, you have the choice. You can either earn reoccurring revenue, or you can do a one-time. If somebody signs up, you automatically get $100. Or you can do it the other way, where you earn a percentage of the monthly subscription it costs to use GetResponse, and then you just earn that for life. I personally went the $100 route just because I'll just go ahead and take the $100 commission for every person I get to sign up with GetResponse. But if you're the person that's like, I'm going to get people that are going to sign up for life, that's definitely the way to go, because in the long run, you're going to make more money because those people are always going to be paying on a monthly basis. So I highly recommend GetResponse, not only for your business, but also to be an affiliate with them if you're going to teach people how to make money online and want to help them build an email list. GetResponse is really good. And then next, I promote TubeBuddy. It's the tool that I use on YouTube to find good keywords for me to use for my videos. Keywords that aren't as competitive, things that I can rank for. If you don't know what TubeBuddy is, it's a great tool. You can go and do a quick Google search, but these ones are also monthly reoccurring commissions. You start out as a standard affiliate with a 30% commission base, and then once you get a certain number of people to sign up for it, then you become a VIP affiliate, and then you earn 40% commissions. You get 250 people to install TubeBuddy, then you start earning 50% commissions, and those are monthly reoccurring commissions. So I am huge on the monthly reoccurring and the potential to earn more and more money, because what we're trying to do is we're trying to build a passive income. So that's number 4, I believe. We got Freedom Breakthrough, we got ClickFunnels, and then we got GetResponse, TubeBuddy, and then my last one. This was originally what I was going to promote until I came across this right here, Jonathan Montoya's Freedom Breakthrough. But Legendary Affiliate is also, it's Legendary Marketer, but you become an affiliate with their program. It's a 15-day business builder challenge. Now, to be fair, I do think that this does go a lot more in depth, and they do actively help you a lot more than the Freedom Breakthrough. But this isn't something I'm going to be promoting a whole lot. Maybe once I get, my things going and I start to see some commissions, I might start pushing this. But this one's awesome because look at the potential earnings you can make here. We'll jump over here, and you can see here, Legendary Marketer, these are all the products that they have. And this is the price that these products cost. And if you are a pro, which means you spend $30 a month for their monthly service, I don't know exactly what that entails. I'm not a pro right now because I don't necessarily use them. But once I do start promoting them, even just a basic commission, I have the potential to earn up not to $950 from one person. Yes, $950. That's huge. That is absolutely huge. I think this is awesome program to promote. I do believe in it. I've gone through the 15-day challenge. Right now, like I said, I'm not exactly promoting it, not knocking it. I think it's a good program. It's just something that I'm not actively promoting. I'm more so looking at Freedom Breakthrough, but Legendary Marketer is a very good program, and a lot of people make a ton of money promoting this. So this is a good affiliate program to get involved in if you're looking for something else, something to additionally add to your stack of affiliate commissions. But like I said, right now, this isn't what I'm doing. But guys, that's all I have for today. Those are my top 5 affiliate marketing programs that I suggest if you are a beginner, especially in 2021. I think those are the most hot affiliate marketing programs. So if you want to get started, you can go down to the link below, get started with the Freedom Breakthrough, the 3-day business building challenge. I can't stress how much I highly recommend that. That's what allowed me to get my business fully up and running in 3 days. Only 3 days, and it only cost me $7. But if you are wanting to learn some more, always feel free to leave a comment down below. I get back to every single comment. But other than that, those are my top 5, and we'll see you guys next time.